Bitcoin is trending sideways in its current range. The cryptocurrency managed to prevent a fresh assault from the bears, but uncertainty remains strong in the market. This status quo supports the price action, and it could operate as the dominant trend for the remaining of the year. Related reading: What's next as Algorand price remains congested? As of this writing, Bitcoin trades at $16,400. The cryptocurrency has been stuck at these levels for today's trading session after retesting its yearly lows yesterday. In the wake of FTX's collapse, crypto users have lost confidence. This could have a long-lasting impact on the nascent asset class. Bitcoin holders flee from exchanges. Data from crypto exchange Bitfinex indicates that users are withdrawing their Bitcoin from exchanges en masse. The FTX's collapse triggered a massive BTC outflow from trading venues. Investors fear losing their funds in the contagion. The chart below shows that exchanges' BTC supply has decreased since mid-2021. This trend steeped in 2022 as the crypto market crashed, and Bitcoin lost over 80% of its value from its all-time high of $69,000. Less Bitcoin on trading venues is a good thing in a different market. Market participants perceived this as a bullish sign as people and institutions can't sell their BTC. Thus, bullish price momentum has fewer chances of meeting resistance. However, the current market conditions are different. The decline of Bitcoin supply on exchanges might indicate troubles for the crypto market. As Bitfinex noted, crypto exchange Gemini has seen the most significant decline in its BTC supply. The exchange. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.